This picture shows a peaceful afternoon in the countryside. Let's look at this picture and study English together. The grandmother is sitting in the rocking chair. The grandmother is sewing with a needle and thread. A little girl is sitting on the grandmother's lap. The little girl feels happy. A young boy is sitting on the floor. The boy is reading a book. The dog is lying on the floor near the boy. The dog looks calm and friendly. Their balls are young in the basket. The river is behind the house. Two men are in the boat. The men are fishing. Yes, there are many flowers in pots. They are sitting outside to relax and enjoy the day. A flower pot is hanging from the roof. Yes, the weather is sunny and pleasant.